Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right now I am on the MQL5 marketplace page for the breakthrough strategy EA. First thing I notice is that this EA is available for both MT4 and MT5. So it's a dual platform expert advisor that already makes it flexible for traders using either platform. Looking at the pricing, it's listed at 297 US dollars for purchase with rental options available as well, 36 US dollars for a month, and going up to longer term plans such as 47 US dollars for 3 months, 58 US dollars for 6 months, and 79 US dollars for a year. Okay, so that reduces the overall cost and it's quite significantly. The latest version shown here is 3.3, updated in April 2026, and it has 20 activations available. So it looks like a fairly established product with ongoing updates. As I scroll through the description, I can see this EA is designed to work with a large collection of preset setups across multiple currency pairs. It supports a wide basket of instruments including Euro USD, Euro CAD, Euro AUD, Euro NZD, GBP CAD, GBP AUD, AUD NZD, GBP JPY, USD CHF, USD CAD, CAD CHF, and AUD CAD. All right. So it's clearly built with diversification in mind across multiple Forex markets. One interesting point here is that the EA is designed to run from a single chart while managing multiple symbols in the background. That means instead of attaching it to every pair individually, it centralizes execution, which is something that is worth paying attention to when reviewing multi-pair systems. Another key detail is that it has different sets and configurations that can be adjusted depending on trading style and even day selection. The developer also mentions that it has been optimized around certain market conditions, including specific trading behavior around Friday sessions, although users can still customize it depending on preference. Now, when it comes to setup, the instructions emphasize downloading the latest set files, ensuring time synchronization is correct, and properly configuring lot calculation. So this is not exactly a plug and play system. It does require some setup before running it properly. Okay, so before moving into backtesting, I also note that the EA is designed to work across any time frame because it pulls data from multiple time frames automatically. So the time frame you attach it to is not strictly restrictive, which is important from a usability perspective. All right. Now I'm going to move into the backtesting section and see how this system performs historically under those multi-pair and multi-set conditions. Briefly, let us see what the developer provided here. So this was from a $1,000 deposit, and total net profit was $5,332.59. Total trades 176, short trades were 88 with 94.32% win rate. Long trades were 88 with 96.59% win rate. Largest profit trade was 416.28. Largest loss was 264.75. Average profit 36.91. Average loss 68.7. This shows that the risk to reward ratio on average is bad, but the win rate is excellent. And this win rate would have contributed significantly to this profit of over 530%. The duration for the backtesting was from 2023 August 1st to 2025 February 27th. All right, so let's just head over to our strategy tester as well so that we can see how the EA performed over the past 5 months. So we're testing the breakthrough strategy EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame. over the past 5 months from 1st January 2026 till date. And we're using the last ping to the server for the delays and the every tick modeling. Now, from what we have here, initial deposit was $100,000. Total net profit was $47,090.46. And the total trades taken were 57. Short trades were 29 with 75.86% win rate. Long trades were 28 with 78.57% win rate. And we can see that the largest profit was 15,476.67. Largest loss 16,623.9. Average profit 2,704.92. Average loss 5,532.77. So this is quite similar to what we saw on the MQL5 marketplace page with respect to the average risk to reward ratio, which is pretty bad. But the win rate, in this case is quite less compared to that we saw on the marketplace page, although this is still good. 75% for short, 78% for long. And I'm not surprised to see a positive net profit of over 47%, given the fact that the win rate is quite good. All right, even though the risk to reward ratio on average is not exactly excellent. Okay, so looking at the historical testing, what I'm focusing on here is how the EA behaves across different currency pairs and market conditions over time. Since the system is designed to operate with multiple symbols from one chart, the performance tends to reflect a blended outcome rather than a single pair strategy. So as I go through the chart history, I can see that trade behavior varies depending on the selected set configuration and market timing. Now, this is why optimization and correct setup becomes very important, because different parameter combinations can significantly change how the system behaves. It's also worth noting that longer term testing provides a more reliable picture here, especially because multi-pair systems can behave differently across different cycles. So short term results alone wouldn't really represent the full picture of how this EA operates. Now, when we talk about the results, I want to be clear that these are historical backtest results and not a prediction of future performance. The outcome will always depend on factors like risk settings, lot size, broker execution, spreads, slippage, and general market conditions. Because of that, I always recommend users to take time to test and optimize the EA themselves, before considering live trading, especially with a system like this, where configuration and set selection play a major role in performance. So to wrap things up, Breakthrough Strategy EA presents itself as a multi-pair, set-driven trading system with flexible configuration and centralized execution from a single chart. It requires proper setup and optimization, but it offers a structured approach to diversified Forex trading when used correctly. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.